Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example, in the notepad. It doesn't really matter where you will open it. And now let's tap on this three dots icon. If you cannot see this option bar, just tap on this arrows icon in order to open it. So let me tap on three dots icon, tap on the settings and tap on languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously installed languages from which we can choose. What's more, if you cannot find the language you'd like to use right here, just go back to the very bottom of the list and tap on all languages. And here you will be able to find the one you want to use. But let me pick something from the pre-installed ones and let's choose, for example, maybe Greek. In order to choose the language, just tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the keyboard which we can choose, so simply tap on it. And as you can see, the keyboard language immediately changes, so now I can freely type in Greek. But if you'd like to change the language to the English, because it was previously set, just tap on the spacebar and swipe a little. And as you can see, I can easily swipe to the English language. The same situation the other way, just swipe to the Greek. If you'd like to remove the language, just tap on the three dots icon again, tap on the settings, choose languages, find the language you'd like to remove, for example Greek in my case, and tap on the switcher. And from now on it is disabled, so you won't be able to use it. What's more, you can also delete it from the list, so just tap on it and hold it and tap on delete. As you can see, it immediately disappears, so let me get back to the keyboard. And as you can see, all I can do is simply type in English, and after tapping on the spacebar, actually I cannot switch through the languages. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your HUAWEI MatePad T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.